Now we are going to see the algorithm in the sender side for stop and wait protocol. So in this algorithm, in the sender side, here we are having two events. We are having two events. One is a request from the network layer. Another one is an arrival notification from the physical layer. So two things here the sender has to handle. So here after sending one frame, the sender has to wait till the acknowledgement is coming. After receiving the acknowledgement only, it has to send the next frame. So we are using a special variable called can send. This can send, we are making it false after sending one frame. So after sending one frame, what we are doing is first we are making this can send to false. So after receiving the acknowledgement, again you are changing that can send to true. So when the can send is true, so you can send the sender can send the data. Okay, so we will go for the algorithm. First, a while loop is there. When it is true, you are making a variable can send. So if this can send is true only, the sender can send the frame. So it is waiting for a event. When the network is asking for a request to send, what it will do means it will get the data, it will make the frame and it will send. After sending this frame, it will make the can send to false, because if any next request is coming from the network layer, it will not be served. Okay, then we are coming for the next part. There may be event coming from the physical layer. So first we have sent the frame. Now the sender has sent the acknowledgement. So the acknowledgement is coming to the physical layer. So it is giving the notification about the acknowledgement. So the frame is received. So it is receiving the frame, and after receiving the acknowledgement, here the frame is nothing but acknowledgement. After receiving that acknowledgement, it is making the can send to true. So now if any request is coming from the network layer, the sender will send the frame. Okay, this is the algorithm in the stop and wait protocol in the sender side. Next one is in receiver side. In the receiver side, we will be getting the data. It will be waiting for an event. Whenever the physical layer is getting an data, it will indicate the data link layer, and the data link layer will receive the frame. It will extract the data and it will deliver the data to the network layer. Okay, and it will send the acknowledgement for the data received. For the data received, it will send the acknowledgement. So this is nothing but the what? The algorithm for stop and wait protocol. So what is this? This is a algorithm for stop and wait protocol.